Hello, I'm Gabrielle Nichols with People's Manufacturing Consultant Firm. We help in the development of a more efficient and sustainable manufacturing process by leading our clients through several waste-reducing procedures.
Hi, I'm Jason Summers, a lead consultant with PM. During this process, we guide manufacturers through the supply chain management using our analysis program that covers supplier relations, purchasing, logistics, quality control, and process analysis. We are then able to guarantee a sustainable process which cuts down not only on costs, but other wasted resources, as we will ensure green suppliers while also promoting more sustainable methods of transportation. Consolidation is another main focus of ours, as our members guide in both domestic and international shipments. Transportation creates a large amount of CO2, which is a major problem in our world, as 14% of greenhouse gases are a result of shipping. By merging 3 separate vendors down to one combined shipment from China to Austin, Texas, we are able to save 1,204.4 gallons of fuel, which would have produced 13.489 tons of CO2. With many of these shipments occurring on a daily basis, a consolidation on any scale will make a world's difference.
Through the implementation of our programs that provide a smoother as well as cleaner manufacturing process, we can ensure the sustainability of your company that helps produce a greener earth for tomorrow. Thank you, and remember to choose People's Manufacturing, innovation for the next generation.